is ripping.
My tummy hurts.
Pretty good, Brad Matt.
All right, guys, welcome. Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve, November 24th, daily recap. Um, what a day, what a day, huh? So we had 2 days of selling with buying right after it. So very strong market here, even with the dollar ripping. So we did a SPX trade today, and a few of the members followed and made some good money. I did a spread on it for a move back to 4,700. And we did it. Pull up a 5 minute chart here. I think we did it around here when it was around 47, 46.80. And it was more of a lotto, and um, we kind of pulled down. We didn't break yesterday's lows, and then we started popping back up. And once we hit higher days, we were consolidating here and did a 5 wide spread. We got it for $1.30, and as long as SPX closed above 4,700, which it did, you get max gain. So that was a max profit trade. Worked really nice. That was a definitely when a trade works like that, it was good. We did have FOMC minutes here at 2 o'clock, which we did get some selling. Um, we kind of came right back to this 46.80 level and bounced right back up like it never happened. So overall, nice trade on that. Lucid, we got some calls for December based on some squeezes. Got an inside day here on the daily, looking for that to break to the upside. I think we did break 50 earlier today. This is a 5 minute chart. Let me switch over to a 30-minute chart. What was lower day? Let's see. Lower day was 49.83. We closed 52.57. So nice bounce. The squeezes that I like in Lucid, it's now a high compression squeeze, if you see here, but looks beautiful setup. We got ready aim buys, momentum shifting higher. Looks really good for a breakout back to 60, I think, on a daily. Because what's been happening is you move higher, come down, higher, come down, higher, come down, and we're getting ready to move higher into the 3 ATR level, which brings us to that 60 area. So that would be a nice trade there. Um, Everything else kind of did this exact as almost as yesterday. Um, as you see here, we came all the way down to 392, bounced back higher, came down, touched the 21 EMA, which I was looking for it to do yesterday, which it didn't, but it's okay. We came back down a day. I had some Q calls, some lottos for today, which I did sell on the way up for small profits. We're up on it nicely yesterday. We're almost at max loss down here, but when you're in a lotto and you risk the whole debit paid, you're comfortable waiting for it to come back up, which it did. So overall, nice trade there. Um, Few of the members at the close today did do well. So we traded some NDX here towards the end of the day, made some profits. Um, Brett was killing it with futures trading. We were in a trade, so we were watching this level here on the Qs, this higher day here, which we couldn't get through. We kept testing it, um, but then FOMC came out, dropped us all the way down, and then we were able to break through uh, the overnight highs on NQ and of the intraday highs on QQQ. So nice trades there. I did cut BITO today. I just don't like what Bitcoin is doing. I pull up Bitcoin futures. Um, it's just lagging. We could see it come back. I would like to see it flush to the 52, the 21-day moving average, like it did back here um, on the weekly chart. We do have a weekly sell, ready and fire, momentum shifting down. So we'll see how that plays out. Um, so yeah, that's that. And then what else do we have here? I did a TLT trade that one of our members posted. It was funny. He posted a picture of it on from CNBC. It was an iron condor that we sold. Am I up on it yet? Nope, I'm still down 16. Only $16. A small trade. It was an iron condor for it to trade around 146, which it is doing. Um, we sold it for I think 90 something cents, or no, $1.10 we sold it for. And I have an order to buy it back at 50 cents, so about 60% profit on that. But iron condors are really nice, as long as it doesn't break over 148 and under 144. I'll make money as it chops around. So nice puke yesterday, nice rally today. Um, I mentioned earlier the dollar is very strong. As you can see, it just keeps rallying, rallying. Um, and the markets are going with it. So usually a strong dollar is not good for the indexes. So the fact that we're rallying and the indexes are going confuses me a little bit. But this market never seems to surprise anyone, or the other way around. Anyway, all right, trend. Here is the trend. We close at 0.91, so it's fairly neutral. A little more people are long than short. That is nice to go back up. And in the put call ratio, we are shifting a little bit back down after we hit a high of 0.68 yesterday. Today's high was also 0.68. So what that means, put call ratio, once we get too high, especially to +1 ATR, which is 0.69, that means everyone is loading the boat short. When everyone is short, that means no one's left to short, so we rally. And then when everyone's down here long, under point, 0.4, 0.3-ish area, everyone is long. When no one's left to buy, markets tend to sell off. So that's where we are with that. VIX did close at the lows, I believe, back under 18. We did test the highs again, rolled over. Looking for that to head back down. All right, and then look at some of the big boys. What do we do? Amazon, inside day on Amazon. Microsoft. We have markets are closed tomorrow, and then we have a half day on Friday. So keep an eye out for low volume on Friday. Microsoft also looks like an inside day. Apple did break yesterday's high, so that's good. We do have a divergent bar, very bearish candle here, but very strong candle today and yesterday. So a lot of buying. Look at Facebook here. Nice divergent bar on Facebook. That's good move higher, but a lot of sideways action as well. Look at CME. That's not a very nice candle. So that's a evening star formation, which typically leads to a down day the next day, but we'll see what it does Friday. All right, what else do we have? Wanted to look at healthcare. Healthcare looks like it wants to rebound. If we can get healthcare back up, I am an ANTM, Anthem Health Keepers, and just Anthem itself. And then Brett is in Cigna. Not Brett, Nick is in Cigna CI. See how that did today. That's still trading underneath the 21. So we got two closes above the 21 on Anthem, so that's good. Awesome. Want to quick look at SPY. SPY did close above yesterday's high. That's a good sign. Any squeezes on SPY? We do have a 4-hour and 2-hour. 4-hour looks long, and 2-hour probably looks long as well. Yep, so 2-hour, both look like we are ready to hit all-time highs again, and see what we do then. And then take a look at IWM and then wrap this up here. Yeah, two nice divergent bars here. We got this downtrend that we need to break. from this high. So kind of this level here, +1 ATR, around like 234. So a little ways to go to break that downtrend that IWM's having. But yeah, as we talked about earlier last week, and Nick said yesterday, we are going to bring back the 1 month trial for Black Friday, $25. Get you in the room into the Slack member channels for $25. We'll post that later tonight or tomorrow, and then that'll be live for a week for you guys to sign up. Facebook group I'll post in the description, Slack as well, and website is Off the Chart Trading if you guys want to come trade with us. Again, we trade everything: pennies, options, futures, day trades, swings, leaps, investments, you name it, we do it. So Ed again here, from Off the Chart Trading. Come join us. Thanks, guys. Happy Thanksgiving.